Can anyone tell me what's missing here? We have a keyboard, a monitor, a speaker setup, a mixer, a microphone, but we don't have a computer. Yep, you guessed it, the computer is gone, and that is because I sent it to, well, I didn't send it, I had to drive it all the way to Best Buy, and bring it to Geek Squad so that they could look at it and see if they could figure out what the problem is. They couldn't even figure out what was going on and what was wrong with it. They couldn't even run a diagnostic, which doesn't bode well. So I'm going to hopefully pick it up today, maybe. I don't know, it's really dangerous driving around right now because it's cold and apparently icy because there was a 50 to 100 car pileup on a road not too far from here. Tractors flipping over, cars crashing. I don't know if anyone was killed. I'm sure people were hurt, but hopefully no one was killed. So yeah, that's not good. But yeah, so things aren't looking good for the computer. I am currently waiting for the warranty to be transferred on the computer right now by the Dell Alienware people, because I can't have them do a diagnostic with me until the warranty is set in the US, because otherwise they can't charge me for it apparently. And they said my other option would be to call the Netherlands team, and that's a no. That's a big no. And they said it would take up to like 10 to 15 business days for the warranty to transfer, so I have to wait like 3 weeks for them just to even work with me. Oh well. Well, what's probably going to happen now, this is just me being realistic. I don't want this to be the solution, but what's probably going to happen is I'm probably going to have to replace the Area 51 with a new one. And if these particular components are broken, I can harvest the graphics card out of the first Alienware, put it into the second, and also the memory, and put it into the second. You know, then I have a dual graphics card set up, which would be kind of cool. I'd rather not, even though I would end up with a more powerful machine, I'd rather just keep the first one, because then I also have to transfer the hard drives, and I'm sure that's not going to be straightforward. But I might not have a choice, which is really annoying. But yeah, so right now I'm just standing where the computer is supposed to be. So yeah, because it looks like I'm not even going to be able to record or edit new videos for a while, I'm just going to start uploading the things that I can, that I already have done. I wanted to be able to finish editing as much as possible before I started uploading anything, just so I could guarantee a lot of content. But I can't do that now, so I might as well just upload what I have. So today I'm going to start uploading all of what I have from my Need for Speed Payback series. You'll get to see the entire playthrough, so you know, I'll finish the game, and then there will be a few other videos as well that I've recorded after completing the story, you know, the campaign. So that's fine. There won't be anything else. There will obviously also be the Need for Speed Most Wanted Challenge series videos, because that's already completely done. So you get 2 different series going right now. So that's alright. But I really wanted to be able to edit my Arkham Asylum videos, but I won't be able to do that until I get a new computer. Because all of the footage and stuff are on the hard drives in the Alienware, and I can't access that. So like a whole bunch of footage for several different series are just sitting on that computer. There's a lot of cool series to be expecting that are just sitting on that computer. There's obviously there's Arkham Asylum, you already know about that, and then there is Ark Survival Evolved, Need for Speed Underground 2, which will start after the Challenge Series videos are over, and you know, the rest of Need for Speed Payback. And I haven't really recorded much else, to be honest, because I don't want to have too many. I don't want to have too much sitting on the hard drive waiting to be edited. I do want to not completely, you know, I don't want to bite more than I can chew. One funny fact before I carry on is about the Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 Challenge Series videos, is I started uploading those in October of 2017, and I probably recorded those a couple months before that. So that's why the location is different in all those videos, because I recorded those really freaking far ahead of time. I don't need to do that now because I have more time to make videos. Just a funny little fact. And by the way, I know the channel isn't that big, but I like thinking about stuff, I like thinking ahead. And I was trying to figure out what to call members of the Racing Joker Club or Alliance, or all the people that subscribe and stuff. And because Arkham is such a big thing for the Joker and Harley Quinn and all that, for all the crazies, the madness, I figured I would call followers either inmates or patients. I don't know which one works better. We'll just see as time goes on. But those are the two ones that I've thought of. So that's just something to think about. So anyways, yeah, I was originally intending to make this video in my car and drive around, just use my new recording mount. Well, it's not that new to be honest anymore, but the suction cup mount, and just drive around and talk about it in the car and maybe do some pulls. But it's no longer safe to drive here. I'm not gonna drive like a nut in this weather. And just before I go, just to explain, in a couple vlogs ago, before the new year, I wanted to show you guys footage of my Lionel trains, but I never actually got to do that because for some reason the camera didn't record. So then the following day I recorded it, and then I meant to include it in the last vlog, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. So now I'm going to include it in this one, so now you guys can watch the trains, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are hoping I figure out my gaming setup as soon as possible so that I can keep gaming and editing and stuff and making more content, because I don't like not having it because it takes away a lot of the things that I normally do. Leaves me with very little to do. And yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are looking forward to the Need for Speed Payback videos. The first video should hopefully come out 30 minutes after this video, and then it will be every playthrough video every day until the end of the playthrough, and then it will be weekly uploads after that. So yeah, hope you guys are excited for that. More Payback videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching for the third or fourth time. I don't know why I do this to myself. And I'll see you guys in the future videos. Inmates, patients, stay crazy.